Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off keyboard click sound on the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. On your home screen, we're going to tap on Settings. And in Settings, go down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then we go down and near the bottom here, tap on Keyboard Clicks. Tap on the switch to turn off or turn on. So if I switch it off, now I'm just going to bring up a message. And if I start to type, it will not make any sound except the sound from my tapping. Thank you for watching this video.